Bury 27 seeds of alligator pepper on the ground and use it for cleansing. Then thank me later. This is a very powerful spiritual assignment that works perfectly. Just 27 seeds of alligator pepper, bury it on the ground, then use it for cleansing. And you see the testimony that comes after doing the assignment. Okay. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon. I teach spiritual tip here on this channel. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. Okay. If you're a man or you are a woman, you have done other cleansing and nothing is working. You have tried all the cleansing that you know, nothing is working. I want to challenge you to do this powerful cleansing I'm going to share with you with just 27 seeds of alligator pepper. Yes, bury it on the ground and use it to do that cleansing, and you will see the testimony, the powerful testimony that will come with it. Okay, so make sure you listen very well to this teaching because you're going to learn how to do it. Okay, so for you to do this assignment, you need to buy your alligator pepper. One bunch of alligator pepper. You need to buy one bunch of alligator pepper. Okay, like you always open alligator pepper from your back because that's the right way to open alligator pepper from. You open it from your back. Okay, now go and dig a ground in the night. Don't dig that ground in the daytime, dig it in the night. Okay, when you dig it in the night, you open that alligator pepper, bring out 27 seed and bury it on that ground. Okay, bury it on that ground, leave it inside that ground for 2 days. For 2 days. Like if you bury it on Monday night, you will leave it Monday night, you will leave it Tuesday night, then on Wednesday in the morning, you bring that alligator pepper out. You bring them out, the 7 seed. Make sure you don't miss anyone. Make sure you don't miss anyone. You bring it out. Okay. Now, when you bring it out, use that 27 seed of alligator pepper and add inside water. Add inside water. Okay. Add inside water a little bucket of water, just small, not much, just small. Then use that water and bet yourself. As you are betting yourself, you say that whatever thing that is not going well in your life, say what you want, say your intention, say your wishes, say your prayers. Okay, if you have done other assignment, other cleansing assignment that has not worked for you, I'm giving you assurance that once you do this one must surely work for you. This is a very powerful assignment. Nobody will tell you this secret. Okay, use that water and bet yourself that Wednesday morning. Okay, after betting yourself, don't clean your body. Don't clean your body that Wednesday morning. Don't clean your body. Allow your body to dry on its own. Okay, allow your body to dry on its own. Then you can go and wear your clothes, rub your cream, and go about your daily activities. You will be seeing the kind of positive energies that you'll be attracting to yourself. You'll be attracting a lot of good things to yourself. This is a very powerful assignment, spiritual assignment for cleansing. Nobody will tell you this secret. Nobody will share this secret for you on this platform. But I'm just sharing it with you on this platform so that you can do it and give testimony about it. Okay. This is what you can do with 27 seeds of alligator pepper. Bury it on the ground and you see the testimony that comes with it. Okay. If you have any question you want to ask, if you have any question you want to ask on this video, if you do not understand what I said on this video, use the comment section, ask your question so that I will direct you. Okay. This assignment, this 27 seed of alligator pepper assignment works perfectly. Okay. I'm giving you assurance it works perfectly, but make sure you bury it in the night. Okay, if you are starting on Monday, bury it on Monday night, then leave it on Monday night, Tuesday night, then Wednesday morning. That is when you bring it out into the 27 seed. Make sure you don't miss anyone. Then use the 27 seed and add it to a better water and bet yourself, and don't dry your body. Allow your body to dry on its own. Then you will see the energy, the positive energy that you'll be attracting, the good things that will be coming. If you're the kind of person that lack favor, good luck, and all that, you will see it coming to you after doing that assignment. Okay, so make sure you practice this recipe and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.